All right. So there's a new game out,
Yeah.
and it costs $60 to purchase.
What is the game called?
Tell me what game is coming out that you're excited about.
Well, I don't know, but I don't know which one am I supposed to play, but I don't know.
Yeah, I'm not sure either. I just picking, the next game that you're going to buy. Okay.
Okay.
Now Sourish he's a reward member. He's a rewards member, and you're going to get 10% off. 10% off the game.
Uh-huh.
Okay. Or you can use a $5 off coupon.
Okay.
So you have to decide which is better. Is it better for you to take 10% off the purchase or to use the $5 off coupon? You can only use one of them though. So what can you tell me what I'm asking? Can you just tell me back what you understand about this question?
Okay. So you just have to get 10% off and Sourish Rewards make or use a $5 off coupon.
Yeah, you have to decide which one you're going to use. Now, do you know what 10% of 60 is?
10% of 60, 50%.
10% of 60. 10% of 60.
Should you add those two things?
Nope. Percentages are multiplying.
Okay, and 60 times 100, that's 600.
That's too much. A percentage means it's like breaking something up.
Okay.
So 10% off is $6. 10% of 60 is $10. Or I'm sorry, $6. So which would be better, to take the 10% off or to use a $5 coupon?
A $5 coupon.
Why is that? Why would that be better?
Because you need to use that for $60. So you need to take away and it's like,
But your rewards give you 10% off. Which is better? Which is more money off?
okay. Okay.
Which is better? Is it better to have $6 off or $5 off?
$6.
Why is that? Why is 6 better
Because
than
yeah,
5?
because you told me that it's not six you told me that it's not $5, it's $6.
Yeah, but now we want to understand why. What do you have to do to be able to purchase the game? What do you have to give up? How do you pay for the game? What do we use to pay for something?
You need to pay for something, you need to pay off for the
But what do we use to pay?
a coupon. I mean, money.
Money, yeah. So if you get $6 off, what is 60 minus $6? What is 60 minus $5?
54.
Okay, and then the one on the right is 55.
Mhm.
Since it's something you're paying, you want to pay less.
Yeah.
So you'd want to pay the $54, which means you want to use the rewards.
Yes.
Okay, let's try another problem here. Okay, let's say you want to buy a used game. Used game is $40. Okay, and you have two options. You can either use a $10 off coupon, or you can use your rewards and get 20% off. You have to decide which is better. Which is better, sir? So I need you to calculate 40 minus 10.
That's 30, and then 4 minus 20 is 20.
Well, but it's percentage. So you have to figure out what is 10% of 40.
10% of 40. 10% is 40 is 30.
Nope. Let's go back to the previous problem. 10% of 60 is 6. How do you get?
Oh, so 10% of 40 is 4.
Okay, but we want 20%.
10%, 10% of 20 is 2.
That's true, but we want 10%. 10% of 40. You just said it is 4. We
Uh-huh.
want 20% of 40. How do you
Uh-huh.
go from 10 to 20?
10
What
to
math?
20.
Yeah, what's the math?
2. 10 times 2 equals 20.
Okay, so double this number on the end.
Yeah.
I'm asking you to double it.
Me? Okay.
Yes, you. There's no one else on the call. What is 4 doubled?
4 double.
Do you understand what I'm asking you?
Yeah, I'm understanding. 20%
Okay.
of 40. I know what that is. Is it? Can I please just take my time to be figuring out this answer?
Well, you already told me that 20% is double 10%. So I'm just asking you to double 4. What is 4
Okay.
doubled?
4 double 40.
No, you're doubling. Doubling means multiply by 2.
Okay, right. So you have the 4 times 4 times
The word double means to multiply by 2.
what double means to multiply by 2. Okay, 4 times 2, that is 8.
Okay. So which is better? $10 off coupon or 20% off in rewards? You can either take $10 off or $8 off. What is 40 minus 8?
32.
Okay, so which is better? Which would you rather pay? $30 or $32?
I would rather pay with $30.
That's right. So you'd rather use the $10 off coupon.
Mm-hmm.
So sometimes a set amount off is better. In the previous problem, the percentage off is better.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Uh-huh.
Okay. So let's go and do some SAT prep. All right. Yeah, let's try this one here. What do you think of the cold weather? Are you enjoying it or is it too cold?
It's good. It's good. It's good.
It's good. All right. Okay, so here is a graph. Can you tell me the ordered pair at, I'll call this point A. Can you tell me what the ordered pair is there at A?
The order pair for that, for A, that is 1 and 4.
Okay, so which of those two numbers is the X value and which is the Y value?
The X value and what is the Y value?
Yeah,
The X value right there, as you can see, the X value is 1 and 4 is Y.
that's right. X comes before Y, so it's the ordered pair X, comma Y. All right, let's look at B. Can you tell me the ordered pair at B?
Yeah. 3, 3, 5.
Okay.
3X, 5Y.
All right, I want you to do the same for C, D, and then E, please. Give me those
Okay.
ordered pairs.
1, 1. D.
C is not 1, 1.
Sorry.
Give me the ordered pair for C, please.
For C right there, for C, for C, I told you 1 and 1.
That is not correct. Let me show you where 1 is.
Are you kidding me? Okay,
There's 1.
5 1.
Okay, 5-1. How about letter D?
Letter D, that is -2, -2.
So -2, -2. Let me show you where that is. You go left from the origin, left 2, and then down 2.
Oh, -3 and -3 and -2.
Good. And how about for letter E?
Letter E right there. Oh, sorry. Five, -2.
Okay, so here's where 5, -2 is. Do you want to change your answer?
Okay, it's 5, -2, I said.
But that's down here where the spread dot is. I'm sorry, you said 5, -2?
Yeah.
Sorry, that's over here. I thought you said
No, no, no,
-5.
5. Oh, wait, -5 over 2, -5.
That's right. -5, comma 2.
Yeah.
Okay, do you have these ordered pairs written down? Because you're going to need them for the next thing that we're going to do.
Okay. All right.
Do you have them written down or do you need time to write them down?
Do I have to write them down?
Yes.
Yeah. Let me just write these down. Let me just do it. I'm writing these down.
Do you have this written down, Sourish?
Yes. Write it down.
Okay, you sure?
Yep.
All right. So we're going to look at the same graph, but I'm going to ask you some different questions now. So do you see how this thing is written over here? Y equals f of x.
Yeah.
So for example, let's look at this first point A. You said that A is 1 comma 4. Do you remember writing that down?
Uh-huh.
That means that 4 equals f of 1. Do you see the x value goes in parentheses and the y value is this other one?
Mm-hmm.
So
Yes.
if I were to ask you, if I said, well, what is f of 1? What you would do is go to where x is 1, see where x is 1 right there, and go see where it hits the graph. To see that, what is f of 1? F of 1 equals 4. That means that x is 1 and y is 4.
Yes.
So you
Mhm.
go wherever x is and you go up until you hit the graph. Okay, so let's do another one here. What is f of 3? F of 3. That means that x is 3. Means x equals 3. So you go to your graph, you go to where x is 3, and you go up to where you hit it. What is the y value there?
Y value for that right there is oh, 5.
It's 5. Good. How about f of 5? This means that x equals 5.
Yeah,
What is f of 5?
f of 5, that is gonna be -5.
Nope,
Just normal 5.
just 5, Sourish. You
Yeah,
go to
it's
where
just
5
5.
is and you go see where does it hit on the graph?
Five hits on.
What is the y value there?
The Y value for that is 5.
No. What is the y value there?
I don't know.
Well, what is the ordered pair that you wrote up here? 5 comma what?
5, 1.
Okay, so the 1 is the y value. Do you see that?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm asking you the same thing. I'm asking you f of 5 means that x is 5. You count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Get rid of 5 and you go up to till you hit the graph.
Uh-huh. Yes.
So what is f of 5? What is the y value?
1.
Good. Okay, now let's go to the other side of the graph. And let's determine what is f of -3. Is this -3 the x or the y?
The Y.
Let's go
The
back and look at
X.
well, it's one or the other, right? Which one is it? So if you've been taking notes, you've written it down, x, x, and x, but I don't think you're taking notes. Are you?
I am. You just heard me wrote it down. I was writing it down.
Okay. So is this x or y?
X.
Okay, so you go to your graph, over here. Where is x equal to -3? You go left, 1, 2, 3, and you figure out, well, where does that hit the graph? What is the y value where it hits the graph?
-2. -2.
Which is it, 2 or -2?
-2, I said.
Well, you said 2 and then -2.
Well, I was just saying it like in a different way. I was just saying it like first one. I was just saying it. I can also say 2, -2. That's what I do. It means it's -2.
All right, how about f of -5? Is -5 the x or the y value?
It's a X.
Okay, can you tell me the y value when x is -5? We're just looking for points on the graph.
2.
2, good, very good. Okay, so we're gonna look at another graph and try to do this a little bit faster. Do you need a break?
Um. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, let's take a couple minute break here.
Mhm.
Hey, Sourish, let me know when you're ready.
Okay, I'm ready.
All right, so I've got a new graph here and I want us to do the same thing. I'm going to ask you for some values. So I'm going to say like, what is f of 4? F of 4. That means that x is 4. I want you to look at the graph and tell me the y value.
Okay.
Look at the graph and tell me what is the y value when x is 4.
It's y x is 4, y is 2.
Good. Here's another one for you. How about when f is -4? F of -4, what is that?
F -4. That is gonna be 2.
It's also 2. How about f of 0?
F of 0.
Yes.
F of 0, that's gonna be 2.
Very good. And then what about f of -2?
F of -2.
Yes.
F of -2 at the that's 0.
Very good. So you seem to have this pretty well down. Yeah, I mean that's pretty much it. Okay. Let's try another one here. So here's a new graph for us to look at. All right, so here's your new graph. What is h of 3?
H of 3 is 21.
It's 21. Good. So now I'm going to switch this up for you. This time I'm going to give you the output. So I'm going to say h of something equals 14. So this time I'm giving you the y value. So now you've got to look at the y-axis where y is 14 and you go over until you hit the graph. You see how you hit the graph there?
Yeah.
What is the x value there?
Yes, value.
Yes. Because this 14 is the y value. So what is the x value?
Okay, I got it. It's 2.
It's 2. X equals 2 here. Good. So let's try another one. Let's say it's h of something equals 35.
Mhm. Yeah.
So again, the 35 is the y value.
Mm-hmm. 35. That is going to be 5.
X equals 5. Good. Okay, so now I'm going to make this a little more difficult. I'm going to go grab a different function graph.
Yeah. Okay.
All right, so here's your graph here. What is, if f of x equals -2, and -2 is the y value, what is the x value?
Okay. That's a 0.
It is 0. What is f of 1 equal?
F of 1. F of 1 right there. That is going to be 1.
Good. Is this easy? Is it hard? What would you
It's
say?
easy. It's very easy. I'm getting it.
You're getting it. That's good. It makes it more fun to do when you understand it.
Uh-huh.
Keeps the yawns down. All right, here we go. Another question here to look at. Where does P of X equal 2?
P of X equal to.
Now you got to decide, is 2 the X value or the Y value?
I know what is that. I know what is that. That's a -1.
Is 2 the X or the Y value?
No, it's wait. Yes.
I'm asking you, which one is it?
It is 2 is not the Y value, it's the X value.
Let's go back and look. The number written off to the right is the Y value.
Yeah.
The number written off to the right is the Y value. The Y value, the Y value. You've been taking notes, right? You've been writing down Y value each time?
Uh-huh.
I don't think so. This 2 is the Y value.
Okay. The 2 is a Y value, so now for that right there. So the 2 is a Y value. So what the X value is, what I told you is -1.
That is not correct.
What? Oh, wait a minute. It's because I just saw it at the bottom, but okay. It's 1.
It is 1. Okay, let's try another one here. P of X equals -4.
Uh-huh. The negative for the -4. -4, that is going to be the 3.
It's +3. Good. Excellent.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, let's switch topics here. Kind of done a bunch of those already tonight. Let me see if I can find something a little bit more straightforward for us to work on. Let's just try some basic, just some review stuff. That way you don't have to take any notes here. 6 + 9 times 10 - 2 times 2 + 3. So I want you to simplify this.
Okay.
If you have any questions, please let me know. Please ask.
Okay. So what I know is that 2 + 3 is 5, 10 - 2 is 8. So 8,
Nope, you have to you have to
What?
multiply first. You're multiplying 2 times whatever's inside here.
Okay. 2 + 3 is 5, 2 times 5 is 10, 10 - 10 is 0.
Okay, I mean, everything you said is correct.
Yep. Should I add 6 + 9?
Well, you multiply before you add.
I already got it. It's 0.
So if you're writing this down, you should be up to this point. 6 + 9 times 0.
Yeah, 6 + 9 is 15. 15 times 0, 0.
You multiply before you add.
All right, 9 times 0 is 0. 0 plus 6 is 6.
Good. Let's have you do another one like this. 2 times 6 divided by 3 minus 1 times 1/2.
Yeah. All right. Three minus one is two. 2 divided by 6 is 3. 2 times 3 is 6. 6 times 1/2. That is going to be 6/2. 6 is 2 divided by 6 is 3.
That is not correct.
What?
6 divided by 3 is 2. So
Yeah.
you should write this as 6 parentheses 2 minus 1.
Okay.
What is 2 minus 1? You continue working in parentheses.
In parentheses. All right. So 6. Okay. Can I now subtract 2 minus 1?
Yes, because it's in parentheses.
That's 1. 6 times 1 is 6.
Good.
6 times 1/2.
Is 3.
Yeah, 3.
Excellent. Okay. Let's look at a couple of other questions here. See what we got here. All right, let's do some solving, some basic solving here. All right, let's go y minus 7 equals 8. I want you to solve for y.
Okay.
How do you solve this for y?
Okay, for y right there, you should just be, but first of all, that you need to subtract both sides by 7 add both sides by 7.
Okay, what is your final answer?
That's gonna be 15.
Y equals 15. Good. Here's another one for you to look at. 98 equals x plus 34.
Yep. For
Why don't
that
you
right there,
solve
you
for
have to
x?
subtract 34 on both sides.
Okay, give me the final answer.
Yeah. $64.
X is 64. Good. Okay, so here's another one for you to look at. Say it's 11 equals minus 16 plus y. Solve for y.
Mhm. So you have to add 16 by both sides, and that's going to give you something. That's
Okay,
27.
y equals 27. Good. Okay, let's look at some two-step equations. Now these are a little more difficult. Let's say it's 5x plus 3 equals 23.
So what you need to do is subtract both sides by 3 on 23, and that's going to give you 20. And then you have to divide by 5, and that's going to give you 4.
X is 4. Good. Okay, so here's one
What
that's a
type
little.
of what type of algebra problem is this?
It's a two-step equation.
Two-step equation. Yeah. Yeah, I really want to only do two-step equations are very easy for me to do.
Okay, we'll try this one.
Okay. subtract. So first of all, you have to like subtract
Said
both
it.
sides by add both subtract both sides by 5.
Good.
Uh-huh.
Yep.
That's gonna give you 1 minus 5, that's gonna give you -6.
Nope. Try again.
6.
Nope.
Oh wait. Is that gonna be 4?
Nope.
-4?
Yeah. I mean, you went from 6 to -6, 4 to -4. You've
Yeah,
got
and
to know.
divide both sides by 4, and that's gonna give you 1.
Yeah, but it's already dividing. So you don't undo division with division, you undo it with multiplication.
Okay.
What do you multiply both sides by to get rid of the division by 4?
You have to multiply. What do you multiply by both sides? You have to multiply by both sides by 4.
Yes.
That's gonna give you 4 times 4 is 16.
-16.
Yeah.
X equals -16. Okay, let's try another one here. Probably got time for just one more. All right, here we go. Let's go x divided by 5 minus 2 equals 9. You want to solve for x.
Okay. And that, okay. So now for that right there, okay. X over 5. Okay. Add both sides by 2 on to 9.
Okay. So what
And
does
that's
that
going to give
become?
you 11. And then what you need to do is to multiply both sides by 11. 11 times 5.
Times 5.
What?
Times 5.
Yeah.
What is 11 times 5?
11 times 5, that's 55.
Very good. Hey, you're all done. You can let your dad know we're all done for today.
Okay. Dad! Dad!